if you want to change your profile description on the Threads application, first of all, you have to click on the right bottom corner, and then from here, go into the edit profile. So click right here, and then you can click on the bio and type something. And then you can actually click on the right upper corner, but also we've got option to import bio from the Instagram. So you can decide, and if you want to confirm, just click here. Also, we can add links to your description. Okay, as you can see, we cannot provide the normal text. We have to input the website. So let's add here, for example, the google.com, and click here. And that's how it looks. Then tap done. And after a few seconds after the processing, you will actually find your new profile description on the Threads application. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.